How a piece of advanced series is created. Selecting logs from 5.3 million acres of self-owned forest. Good wood for good board. Selection of high-quality veneers. Achievement of 6 standard qualities. 11 layers of good veneers. Real solid wood for every layers, crisscross structure to resist warping. High-quality glue ensured formaldehyde-free performance. Upgraded PMDI rubber, strict adherence to the true ENF standard. Good equipment to ensure the quality. More than 700 million Chinese yuan production line investment. Industry 4.0 smart factory. Equipped with the world's leading plywood production line. Fully automatic drying. Automated veneers linking. Intelligent warehousing. Tunnel-type PMDI gluing. Robot intelligent embryo. German Diffenbacher continuous flatbed multi-layer line. And automated board drying. After 23 high German standard processes and over 100 days of regeneration cycle. Creating high-quality boards with moisture content, static bending strength, gluing strength, and other tests that far exceed national standards. The Advanced Series has been certified as eco-friendly by the world's leading authorities, including through CARB California Air Resources Board Certification, EPA, NAF, Formaldehyde-Free Exemption Certification, China Aldehyde-Free Certification, FSC Forest Stewardship Management System Certification, Hong Kong Green Mark and other green certifications. Selection form nature, return to the origin of woods. That's the Advanced Series. Collecting high-quality materials for a better home.